everyone! Welcome back to Everyday Hacks. Today, we're diving into the kitchen with some amazing cooking hacks that will save you time, make things easier, and maybe even impress your friends and family. Let's get started. First up, let's tackle garlic. Peeling it can be a pain, but not anymore. Just pop the cloves in a mason jar, shake it for about 10 to 15 seconds, and voila, the skins come right off. This hack is a real time saver if you're cooking with a lot of garlic. Ever had guests show up unexpectedly and realize your drinks aren't cold? Here's a quick fix. Fill a bowl with ice, water, and a handful of salt. The salt lowers the freezing point, chilling drinks in just about 5 to 10 minutes. This hack is perfect for last-minute parties or get-togethers. Nothing's worse than fresh herbs going bad too quickly. To make them last, wrap them in a damp paper towel and store them in an airtight container in the fridge. This trick keeps herbs like parsley and cilantro fresh for up to a week longer. Want more juice out of your lemons or limes? Roll them on the countertop before cutting. This breaks up the pulp and helps release more juice. This hack is great for recipes that need that extra zing of citrus flavor. Need softened butter but forgot to take it out? Cut it into smaller pieces and spread them out on a plate. It'll soften in minutes without melting. This hack is super helpful when you're baking on the fly. Peeling hard-boiled eggs can be tricky, but here's a quick trick. Put the egg in a small container with a little water, shake it, and the shell will slide right off. This hack saves so much time if you're prepping for a big meal. Tired of water boiling over? Just place a wooden spoon across the top of the pot. The spoon helps break the bubbles and prevents spills. This is an easy hack that keeps your stove clean while you cook. Don't want your drink to get watered down? Use frozen grapes instead of ice cubes. They keep your drink cold without melting. Perfect for summer days or fancy drinks. Need ripe fruit fast? Place it in a paper bag with a banana. Bananas release ethylene gas, which helps ripen fruit quicker. Great for when you need that perfect avocado or pear. And that's a wrap! I hope you found some of these cooking hacks helpful. Give them a try, and let me know which ones worked best for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more everyday hacks.